I'm Emma, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Jamie.
Hi everyone, it's great to be back with you all. Today's topic is one of my favorites, and it's something we use every single day, even when we're silent. We're talking about positive body language, how to use your posture, your face, and your movements to express confidence and connection.
Yes, body language is a secret language we all speak without realizing it. In fact, research says that more than half of communication is nonverbal, so even if your words are perfect, your body might be saying something completely different.
Part 1. What is body language? Let's start with the basics. Body language is everything we communicate without words. Your posture, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, and even how close you stand to others.
Exactly. Positive body language means using these signals in a way that makes you seem confident, friendly, and trustworthy. For example, standing tall, smiling genuinely, and keeping good eye contact. These things show that you're open and engaged.
That's right. And it's not just about how others see you. Your body language also affects how you feel about yourself. When you stand tall and smile, your brain actually starts to feel more confident.
Yes, that's what psychologists call power posing. When you take up space, your brain believes you're powerful.
Part 2. Tip 1. Posture.
Let's start with posture. This one might seem simple, but it's huge. Try this right now. Sit or stand tall, keep your shoulders back and relaxed, and imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head up.
Immediately, you feel more confident, right? Good posture sends the message, I'm comfortable and in control. It also helps you breathe better and project your voice more clearly when you speak English.
That's true. Posture can even improve your pronunciation and energy when speaking. So next time you join a meeting or an interview, check your posture first.
Part 3. Tip 2. Eye contact.
Next, let's talk about eye contact. It's one of the most powerful ways to show confidence and honesty.
Yes, good eye contact says I'm listening to you, I'm interested. But remember, balance is key. Don't stare. Look into someone's eyes about 60 to 70% of the time when speaking.
That's a great rule of thumb. If you're shy, practice by looking between a person's eyes or at their eyebrows. It still feels natural. Or try practicing in the mirror until it feels comfortable.
Part 4. Tip 3. Facial expressions.
Now let's talk about your face. Smiling is the easiest way to show warmth and confidence, but make sure it's real. People can always tell when a smile is fake.
Exactly. A genuine smile reaches your eyes. That's when it feels authentic. Even a small smile can make you more approachable and lift your own mood.
I once read that smiling before a presentation helps reduce nervousness because your body sends signals to your brain that everything's okay.
That's a great tip. It's like your body reassuring your mind. Part 5. Tip 5. Gestures.
Gestures are another important part of body language. Using your hands naturally while you speak can make your message more dynamic and easier to follow.
Yes, open gestures, like showing your palms, communicate honesty and openness. But crossing your arms or fidgeting too much can make you seem nervous or closed off.
Here's a small exercise. When you talk, try to match your gestures to your words. For example, when you say big, move your hands wider. It helps the listener visualize your message.
That's a great tip for English learners. Using gestures while speaking can actually help you remember words faster. Part 6. Personal space and presence.
Here's something we often forget. Personal space. Standing too close can make people uncomfortable, but standing too far might seem cold or uninterested.
A good distance in most cultures is about 1 arm's length. Of course, it depends. In some countries, people stand closer, and in others, they prefer more space.
Yes, always notice the other person's comfort level. Being aware of space shows respect and emotional intelligence.
Part 7. Common mistakes to avoid.
Let's quickly go over some body language mistakes people make. Slouching, which makes you look tired or bored, avoiding all eye contact, crossing arms defensively, fidgeting with your phone or clothes, standing stiffly like a robot.
Right. The goal is balance, relaxed but confident, open but natural. Body language isn't about acting, it's about alignment between how you feel and what you show.
Part 8. Building awareness. The best way to improve your body language is to become aware of it. Try recording yourself while speaking English, or practice in front of a mirror. Notice your facial expressions, posture, and hand movements.
And here's a cool trick. Watch confident speakers on TV or YouTube. Observe how they move, pause, and smile. Then try to imitate small parts of their body language.
Exactly. Over time, it becomes natural.
Part 9. The power of positive body language.
Let's remember why this matters so much. Positive body language can help you in job interviews, presentations, and even daily English conversations.
Yes, and it doesn't just help others trust you, it helps you trust yourself. When your body looks confident, your mind starts believing it.
It's a cycle. Confidence on the outside builds confidence on the inside.
Part 10. Weekly Challenge.
So here's our English Pro Space challenge for you this week. Choose one area to focus on, maybe posture, eye contact, or smiling, and practice it every day. Notice how people respond to you differently.
And share your experience in the comments below or on our social pages. Tell us, which body language habit are you improving this week?
Remember, communication isn't just about words, it's about presence. The way you stand, look, and move can speak louder than anything you say.
Beautifully said. So stand tall, smile, and express confidence with your body. You deserve to be seen and heard completely.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Pro Space. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us grow.
And don't forget, keep practicing your English and your body language because the world understands confidence in every language.
See you next time, and keep shining.